Hello guys, welcome to our channel How to Do It tutorial videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant Vanguard not installed. So first, press Windows plus R keys to open Run and then type in msconfig and hit enter. So under General, make sure that it is in normal starter mode. And then under services, make sure that VGC is running by making sure the box is ticked and press OK. And then we need to restart our computer to make the changes we've made. Okay, the second thing is in your search bar, type in services, press enter, and then click one of the tests here, and then press V. After that, right click and then go to properties. Make sure that the startup type in VGC is on automatic and make sure that server status is running. So just click the start button to start running and then press apply and OK. As you can see, it's running. So it will just take a few seconds. And that's it guys, that's how to fix Valorant Vanguard not installed. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.